Hi, hello, and welcome to AutoPostingTools.com. Today I'm going to show you the new module that we just built. It's called Clickbank Marketplace Scraper. So whenever you purchase the software, you're going to get the 125 modules that we have so far, plus the new ones that we're going to be building. So in this case, the one we are going to be showing today is this in the scraping section, and it's called Clickbank Modules, and it's called Clickbank Marketplace. So when you click on this is what you will be getting. Basically, you're going to open a web browser with Clickbank Marketplace with the information that you want to scrape, and then here you're going to type in your affiliate ID. This is so the new links that you will get, they are going to be already with your affiliate ID. So if you ever share them, you're going to be the one that is going to be getting that commission. So to start off, let's just click here on Open Firefox. This is going to open the Gecko driver, which it's going to open Firefox. We use Selenium to do this. So basically, we could interact with the web browser. Now that we have that, we're going to click on this link that basically it's going to open the marketplace, and it's going to open the internet marketing, because this is something that is like a good niche to start off, because people always want to make money. This is one of the niches that it's going to be always evergreen. So that means that it's going to always have people wanting to get into this kind of niche. Obviously, if you know Clickbank, they have a lot of different categories that you can join to. And basically, for anyone that doesn't know Clickbank, basically these are affiliate products, meaning that whenever you promote these products with your affiliate link, if somebody purchases it, you are going to get a commission, which most of the time is going to be this. And basically, you will have a commission for everybody that buys one product from your link. Now, let's say we wanted to scrape this information. We are going to click extract, and this is going to extract all this information. It's going to extract the product name, it's going to extract the average sale, the description for the product, if they have an affiliate page. If you want to access the affiliate page, you click on affiliate page, and then this is going to take you to their affiliate page, so you could see what they are up to, how much money you will be making per commission. You have the support email, the initial sale. If they have recurring products, you will see how much money you will be making out of those. It shows you the gravity, the category. This, as I said, is your affiliate link. So if you copy this one, basically this, if somebody purchased through this link, you're going to be making money. You could hide this, you could cloak it with our other modules or with your own redirector, and basically share it with somebody, and then whenever you share it, and if they buy, then you will be making money. Now, this is for page number 1. Let's say we wanted to come back, and then we wanted to do page number 2. This has 50 pages on this category, so let's go to page number 2. So this is page number 2. If we wanted to scrape this information, we just click extract, and this is going to get us that information as well. Now, if we wanted to do the same thing for the page number 3, you do the same thing. Page number 3, come back, extract. And this is going to get you tons of affiliate products that you could promote. In this case, the idea of this module most of the time is to find which ones give you the best average sale, or how much money you're going to be making, and also to know what it's out there, because now these are affiliate products that they are making money because they have a good gravity. That means that these are successful product owners that take the time to invest into their marketing, so you could share and sell their products. So meaning that if I go to one of the sales page, for example this one, landing page, I'm going to see something like this, and then I can see what they are offering, how they are structured the page, and how they are doing their marketing. So I could do something similar to them, not exactly the same, but something similar. And then if I do the same thing that they did, I will be making money, because I'm just basically doing reverse engineering on their funnel, meaning that if I buy this, to what page is going to take me, how many products is going to be selling, how many upsells it has, what type of upsell. So if I analyze these competitors, I'm going to be able to duplicate their funnel and then be making money out of that. Plus, you have all these different products, so you could see which ones are converting based on the number of cells, based on the gravity, how many they are selling. So, for example, this one, it's a nice product because it has a high gravity. So you could open that and you could see like this one is going to be it's going to be a nice product that you're selling because this one converts very well. So if you scroll down and you see everything, this is going to be like something that you could get information from. So basically that's what it is. So you could have all these different products. Now if you don't like this category that I put you in, you could come back here and then do another category, let's say employment and jobs. These it's another category. People always need jobs, so extract. So this extract all the information. Here you have your affiliate link. So let's say this is a slogan seller. So basically this is for people that sell their slogans, and then if you share this with somebody like a writer or something, you will be making around $28 and just by sharing one link. So how cool is that? And you could do like a lot of money with this software. You just have to like take your time, find what products are working for other people based on the gravity, and just start making money, you know. So if you would like to get this product and all the 125 modules that we have, you could do so in autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.